Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to all of you to my viewers. Today we will be starting with the very little and but very important thing in poetry. It's meter and rhythm. So starting with meter, what is a meter? When we write or when we read poetry, we see there is a fall. There's a rise and fall in every line of poetry. That rise and fall of the poetry is called meter. That rhythmic structure of a line is called meter. So meter has two components. One is called syllable and other is called rhythm. We will start with what is a syllable. Syllables are building blocks of words. For example, how do you pronounce a word? Take example of this mother. See, when we pronounce mother, we say this in two twists. Mother, ma, and der. Say understand, understand. Indeed, in, deed. Matter, matter. Down, out, butter. Beautiful, certainly. How many in which blocks we can convert a word, how many twists we need to pronounce a word, that's called syllable. So the building blocks of a word is called a syllable. It seems a very like a mere concept, but this is the basic of each poetry. When we start writing poetry, this is the basic thing. This is taught in fifth or third or fourth class, but this is the basic thing. And moving forward, syllables are of two types, stressed and unstressed syllables. What are stressed syllables? When we talk about, like when we pronounce a word, words which are emphasized, which are stressed, louder and higher in pronunciation are called stressed syllables. For example, take example, product. The part pro is stressed, it's louder, product. Outsider, water, the wo part is stressed. It's called a stressed syllable. Outsider, it's stressed, it's louder, it's higher in its sound. It's called a stressed syllable. And its vice versa will be unstressed. See, the words which are pronounced with less stress, shorter, quieter, and lower in sound will be unstressed syllables, like repose. The part re will be unstressed. Table, bow will be unstressed syllable. Labor, lay is stressed, bur is unstressed. So this is stressed and unstressed syllable. Now there's something we have a small concept. It's called foot. It looks small concept, but it has a base. It's called foot. The combination of stressed and unstressed syllable is called a foot. When we combine a stressed and an unstressed, this syllable is called a foot. And we have 6 feet in English. One is called iambic foot, another is called anapestic foot, trocheic, dactylic, spondylic, and frick. I'll explain each, starting with iambic foot. What is an iambic foot? Iambic foot is a combination of unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. They sound like the da, like the da, like delight, unstressed, the stressed, light, delight, forlorn, please. Unstressed followed by a stressed syllable is called an iambic foot. You may have thousands of examples of an iambic foot. Like there is another concept that comes iambic pentameter. We will read about this in future, inshallah. And then comes another anapestic foot. What is an anapestic foot? It's a combination of two unstressed syllables followed by a stressed syllable. Da da da, da da da. It's understand, contradict. It's two unstressed syllables followed by a stressed syllable. Understand, contradict. These are simple words, but they make up your, like going in your future, they make up you. And moving forward, we have trocheic foot. Is a combination of stressed syllable followed by unstressed. It's opposite of iambic. Iambic is unstressed followed by stressed. Trochaic is stressed followed by unstressed. Dada, dada, garden, highway, tiger. So this is trochaic foot. And another one is dactylic foot. Dactylic is opposite of which one? Dactylic is opposite of anapestic. It will be as the dahda, stressed followed by two unstressed, like poetry, alphabet, elephant. It will be like this: one stressed and two unstressed. It will be dactylic. Then there are two more. One is called spondylic and phoetic. Spondylic is two stressed syllables, combination of two stressed syllables. TV, TV, the da. And another is two unstressed. Phoetic is two unstressed, like the da, my way, like two unstressed. The da, spondylic, the da is my way, is phoetic. These are some basic feet. These are the basic feet in literature. In linguistics or in basic poetry. So moving forward, then we have something called metric line. Like how many feet a line consists is called a metric line. If a line consists of 1 foot, it will be a monometer. If it consists of 2 feet, it will be diameter. If it consists of 3 feet, it will be a trimeter. If 4, tetra. If 5, penta. If 6, hexa. If 7, hepta. And if 8, octa. See, when we combine iambic foot, we know what's iambic foot. If a line consists of 5 iambs, it will make iambic pentameter. So we come with the concept of iambic pentameter. We have to study an iambic pentameter. We should know what a foot is, what an iamb is, what a meter is. So these are the basic concepts. This is all for today's lecture. Inshallah, we'll go in future with iambic pentameter in next video. Thank you so much.